Welcome. If this is the first time you're coming across this YouTube channel, allow me to reintroduce myself. I'm Victor Isibo, the face and the voice behind Victor Isibo Reviews. Here on this channel, you get contents like this every time, so that you don't miss any of my subsequent reviews. I invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Guys, let me put out the disclaimer before I start my video. In typical fashion, I am not an investment advisor. Do not take my word for it. I'm just a guy who likes to make money online, and because of that, I do a lot of analysis and due diligence, and I'm just sharing my due diligence with you. I shall not be responsible for any profits made or any losses incurred as a result of you consuming my content. Now that I've pushed that disclaimer out of the way, today we're going to be reviewing BOTZ, and this is the presentation slide of BOTZ. Okay, I'm going to keep this video very quick, very fast, like in typical fashion with all my reviews. In the beginning, we talk about the platform, from the material that is available to us, be it the website or in this case the presentation slide. Then at the end of the video, I tell you what I feel about the platform, and I give them a rating on a scale of 0 to 10. Okay, so make sure you stick around till the end of the video when I give you my opinion and conclusion about the platform, because I guess that's why you're here already. Okay, they say BOTZ, the real AI trading robot, 100% autopilot. Guys, it might interest you to know that they have the spot trading arm and they have the futures trading arm that they call the meta futures. But you know, this presentation slide, we're just limiting ourselves to the spot trading aspect of the company. Okay, they said professional traders have known it for years. Bots are better at trading than people. I disagree on that, but you know, they have a right to their own opinion when they say that bots are better traders than humans. You will find the video in the card above this video right now where I talk about understanding robots trading, bot trading. Okay, go and watch the video. You will understand why I feel that humans ultimately in the long run are better traders than bots. Okay, they said that BOTZ has been used by professional traders for years. Okay, they said the world's leading investors have been trading with BOTZ. Okay, see this. They said the world's leading investors have been trading with BOTZ for a long time. Now you can too. I don't believe that, you know, when platforms are new and they just show up, they want to give you an air of longevity. They feel that longevity gives them an air of legitimacy. You come up last month, but you're claiming that you've been existing for several years behind the scene. That is what every company says when they just come out. And I don't believe that anymore, because I've heard it too many times, and 9 out of 10 times is not true. Okay, for your information, the purpose of my reviews is not to tell you to invest in a platform or not to invest in a platform. It's entirely up to you to make that decision. I don't tell you what to do with your money. And the fact that a platform is risky does not mean you should not invest. It's just that it's always better when you acquaint yourself with the risk you are dabbling into. Okay, if you must sleep in a room where there's a venomous snake, it is better you know that there's a venomous snake there, then you know how to take care of yourself. It doesn't mean you shouldn't sleep in the room. I'm telling you, there's a snake in there. It doesn't mean don't go in there. It only means that, well, it's up to you. If you want to go in there, then you know how you walk around. You're better informed than someone who doesn't know that there's a venomous snake in the room, who goes in there making all the noises, walking all around and throwing stuff around. Okay, so my purpose as a content creator analyzing websites is to acquaint you with some of the risks. We are not quarreling. I'm not trying to demarket anybody. Okay, So that's it. I am interacting with BOTZ app. Okay, you will find my referral link in the description of this video. Okay, so whether I'm interacting with a company or a platform or a website or not is not going to make me sing their praises high up in the sky. I'm still going to be unbiased in my analysis of that company. Okay, so we keep scrolling. They say, how does it work? They say the system uses artificial intelligence algorithms to automatically match quantitative trading strategies that are suitable for the current market situation by using spot market analysis. Okay. They talk about the advantages of the bot, and they say that you start with minimum amount of only 50 USDT plus 20% trade fee. Okay, your money is on your own. As at the time of making this video, the only exchange with which you can bind your BOTZ app robot is Binance. OKEX and Huobi is not available yet as at the time of making this video. Okay, so they said that no coin selection, no coin change, no trade strategy, wallet management strategy, coin selection table. Okay, of course, they said wallet management strategy is 80-20 rule. Okay, 80% of your money is for quantitative trading and auto replenishment after 12 margin calls, while the rest 20% is like backup. Okay, backup in case things are very bad, the market is bearish, and it's for replenishment. Okay, when all 12 calls have been triggered and no profits have been made, of course you have this 20%, to do some tradings, and so that you can have some money. Okay, coin selection table, based on the amount of your trading capital. This is like a table that guides you on what to do. Keep scrolling. Of course, you need to bind the API of your Binance with that of your robot. I say how to start the smart boat. Okay, you start the smart boat by, when you open the application, you go to smart boat, and you decide the first order amount. In this particular case, it is 11 USDT. Then the number of calls, the number of coins, NOC, how many coins do you want to trade? You write, in this particular case, they wrote 2. And of course, here the smart board is going to ask you, do you want high risk? Okay, there's an internal algorithm that's been programmed to trade in a high risk way. They have the low risk. There's also an internal algorithm for that. Then they have the custom, where you can do some tweaking if you have some crypto knowledge with you. Then you click on support, and boom, the smart boat is trading for you and trading away. They say the boat has the ability to make for you anywhere between 1 to 10% profit on a daily basis. We keep going. Talk about the compensation plan. So there are 4 ways to get paid on the BOTZ referral program. You have the affiliate profit, the trade fuel burn profit, the rank difference profit, the global profit. Okay, for the affiliate profit, level 1 is 30%, level 2 and 3 is 8%, level 4 is 5%, levels 5 to level 7 is 4%, level 8 3%, levels 9 and 10 2%. Okay, trade fuel burn profit, you have level 1 10%, levels 2 to level 4 5%, and level 5 to level 7 3%, level 8 to level 15 is all 2%. Okay, for those of you who are interested in all these details of the affiliate marketing, the network marketing, the referral stuff like that, if you decide to register via my link in the description of this video, then you can communicate with me, and we can discuss these other levels and compensation plans privately, so that we don't make this video too long. We keep scrolling and checking what they have on offer on this particular presentation slide. Okay, of course, you know that you have to bind your Binance with your robot as well. So there are tutorials and guides on how to do that. I think the first thing you need to do when you open the application is, of course, to find bind API, and when you click on bind API, you're going to have Binance open before you. Huobi and OKX are not available at the moment. Then you pretty much, interact between the boats, copying the API keys on the boat and pasting it on your Binance, and of course the secret key as well. Then you bind, and of course you enable spot and margin trade and all that. Okay, this is something that your upline, whoever refers you or whatever team you belong in the BOTZ business, this is something they're going to help you to do. They have tutorial videos, even on the application of the BOTZ. There are tutorial videos that helps you to do these things. Okay, when you open the application for BOTZ, you have several tutorial videos. Interact with them, you're going to learn these things. Okay, so finally, let me give you my opinion about BOTZ. Okay, I have good news, the pros, and I have bad news, the cons. Okay, the good news is this. I like BOTZ because they have tried to incorporate something that is missing in what the pioneers brought on board. Because in recent times, the present surge into the market of cryptocurrency and forex trading robots, the pioneers were, I think, ROYALQ. Okay, they started it, I think, in the recent times. They just came and they told us that they are cryptocurrency trading robots. I did a review on ROYALQ earlier, but there's something I did not like about ROYALQ, actually, because ROYALQ, for you to be sustainable, making good profit from ROYALQ, you need some knowledge of cryptocurrency trading, because the trade settings are some things that can make you really confused if you're a total novice, or for the neutrals in terms of cryptocurrency, you are going to be bothered, because you're actually telling the robot what to do with the settings. Okay, then sometimes you hear they'll say, oh, that strategy is not working anymore. You have a lot of floating losses. You're selecting coins by yourself. For the ROYALQ, you select the coins. If you select coins that are not doing well, you're on your own. You'll be having losses here and there. Okay, so I can imagine referring my father to ROYALQ because it's not hands-off. An old boy doesn't know jack about cryptocurrency trading. Okay, when they say you should select coins, he will select very terrible coins, and he's going to be making losses. So also, you see, ROYALQ, they ask you to use so and so person's strategy, and that person's strategy has different jargons and things that are, alterations you need to make in the settings. And that is what BOTZ has come to correct. You see, the smart bot, it does everything for you. Just, first order amount, FOA, how much do you want to trade with your first order? Just put it there. How many coins do you want to trade? Just write 3 or write 2. The smart bot is going to select the best coins for you. You don't have to bother your head, and everything is just hands-free. Okay? That's it. Okay? Now, let us talk about the things that I do not like. First of all, when you click on the refer button on the BOTZ application, okay, it automatically generates a marketing message that carries your BOTZ referral link. It carries a Telegram group link. It carries their Facebook page link. It carries all the vital information. And it also carries a Binance referral link that doesn't belong to you. That bothers me. That bothers me. If you go to your application, let us scroll up a little bit so I can show you where you're going to find what I'm talking about. It's rather conspicuous there. See, when you click this, it will say, it will open a page that says share promotional message. When you click on that share promotional message, of course, it will show you maybe your WhatsApp. Just click on WhatsApp and send that message to a particular number. You'll see all these things I'm talking about. Now, the referral link of BOTZ belongs to you. There is a referral program on Binance. In case the person does not have a Binance account, there is a Binance referral link put there that doesn't belong to you. I mean, that shouldn't be there. That shouldn't be there. So if you want to share your promotional message, don't just share it directly from the BOTZ, because you will be referring that person, if they are not on Binance, you'll be referring them to Binance with a link that is not your Binance link, with a link that belongs to somebody on the team of BOTZ. That's my first concern. Okay. Second concern is this. All this cryptocurrency trading robots don't bother to talk about the human side because they feel that we're dealing with a robot anyways. But come on, we need to know the faces of the developers behind these projects. We need to know you guys. We need to do some feasibility and background checks about you guys, about your integrity, how experienced you are within the blockchain sphere and cryptocurrency industry. We need to check your reputation if you've been linked to any fraud in the past. We need to do due diligence, guys. And these guys need to help us. Let us see your faces. Because now we do not know the faces behind these robots. When these robots eventually decide to pack up or misbehave, or we have certain complaints, beyond the email addresses, who do we call out? I think that any cryptocurrency robot trading application that comes up now and the developers are all up in our faces, introducing themselves, talking about their robots, I mean, I think they are going to enjoy a lot of patronage from a lot of people because of that transparency. So I have transparency problem with BOTZ, and of course not just BOTZ alone, every other robot trading applications and companies whose owners are not upfront about who runs them. And of course, I do not know what the regulations are, but you know, any regulations, any licenses that these guys have to operate, if they can let us know the names of the companies that owns these robots, you know, any certificates, regulations with any relevant or regulatory bodies would be fine. You know, gives you some air of legitimacy too, guys. And of course, generally with robots, there is risk involved. Okay, you have to tread with caution, and when the market is not favorable, I mean, you know, the bots cannot perform magic or do wonders. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, I would like to rate them a 5. I'm very generous, rating them a 5. Because I don't know who owns this robot, who runs this robot. I don't know what the plans are for the robot. So I can't go beyond a 5. And they score up to a 5 because, you know, they did something remarkable. Something that I really like. You know, it is hands-off, guys. The trading is hands-off with little or no impact from you guys. And that is what artificial intelligence should do. Unlike with ROYALQ, where you have to start guiding the robot on what to do, start incurring floating losses, guys. Okay, that's it. Find my referral link in the description of this video. Get on board. You can contact me if you have any further questions. I am always unbiased, whether or not I am interacting with a company. When I'm doing my reviews, I'm always in savage mode. I'll tell you the truth the way it is. Okay, invest only what you can afford to lose, guys. Okay, I love you so much, and I want you to be able to make money and also keep it. So till I see you in the next video, I remain Victor Isibo. It is bye for now.